Ever wondered how pharmaceutical companies ensure their suppliers meet the highest standards? Today, I'm breaking down the step-by-step standard operating procedure for vendor evaluation in the pharma industry. Quick, clear, and compliance-focused. Let's get started. Vendor evaluation starts with clear responsibilities. Purchase department initiates vendor qualification requests and maintains the vendor list. Quality assurance reviews, audits, and approves vendors. Quality control performs testing of supplied materials. User department provides technical evaluation of equipment and services. Management gives the final approval of vendors. Vendor, supplier, or manufacturer of materials, equipment, or services. Approved vendor list, or AVL. Vendors qualified and approved by QA. Qualification, a systematic evaluation to ensure consistent quality supply. Step 1. Vendor initiation. Purchase identifies potential vendors based on requirements. A vendor qualification form, or VQF, is raised to start the process. This paperwork is the foundation for evaluation and approvals. Step 2. Send the vendor a detailed questionnaire. Vendor fills it out and returns it with supporting documents. Required items include company profile certifications and regulatory approvals, valid GMP and ISO certificates. Regulatory approvals like FDA, EMA, or WHO, master formulas, certificates of analysis, specifications, and MSDs. QA reviews all submitted documents and prior audit reports if available. They focus on high-risk items like APIs and primary packaging. Packaging and equipment reviews are also critical. QA classifies vendors as critical, major, or minor based on impact to product quality. High-risk vendors require an on-site audit. Audits examine processes, controls, and CGMP compliance in detail. QA prepares an audit report and shares findings with the vendor. If issues are found, the vendor must provide a corrective action plan, a CAPA. QA verifies CAPA implementation before proceeding. Step 3. Initial supply is received and tested by QC against approved specifications. If results meet specs, the vendor moves closer to approval. All data is recorded for QA review. QA head reviews, questionnaire, audit report, and QC data. If satisfied, the vendor is entered into the approved vendor list. That completes initial qualification. Ongoing, monitor material quality trends, track complaint history and issues, watch for OOS or OOT events and investigate promptly. Also evaluate delivery performance and on-time metrics. Formal requalification occurs every 2 to 3 years or sooner if needed. Vendors can be suspended or blacklisted if compliance issues persist. Through qualification, audits, testing, and monitoring, only the best vendors stay in the supply chain. That's how pharma ensures product quality, safety, and regulatory compliance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more compliance breakdowns.